Hi, my name is Sean Weldon. I'm a product manager at Meter Group, and today we're going to go over the installation of the TEROS 22 matrix potential sensor. To begin, we're first going to drill a pilot hole with the included drill bit for the sensor. You want to put the pilot hole at an angle of at least 10 degrees to prevent preferential water flow down the shaft of the sensor. I've marked the depth indicator on the drill bit so I know how far I need to drill. We'll start drilling the pilot hole. Next, we'll take the TEROS 22 sensor with the attached extension shaft and push it into our pilot hole. Ensure that the silicone disc is on the surface of the soil to prevent preferential flow down the shaft of the sensor.